Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show. We want to tell you that Mother's Day recipe which is coming up very soon. It's going to be some chicken and we're going to do it in a different style, different fashion, old school style we're going to come up with. And hopefully you guys like the recipe. Subscribe to the channel and we'll know that March is Mother's Day. So I'll probably March 6th or something like that is supposed to be Mother's Day. We got Easter coming up, we got the fried fish coming up, you know, a lot of stuff coming out for Easter, so look out for Easter recipe. And also there's a lot of stuff coming up, guys. So thank you so much for watching the cooking show. We got over 30,000 subscribers. I want to thank you so much, guys. You know, Chef Ricardo alone couldn't do this, it's you. So I want to tell you thanks 100 million times. And I mean, I pray that God will continue to bless you, guide you, and protect you. Look out for Mother's Day recipe and also Easter recipe coming up soon. Thank you so much. Get a copy of the book on Amazon. The price don't change, it's your price. 50% always off for all the fans them. All who supporting Chef Ricardo all over the years. 50% always off for you guys. We love you and thank you so much. See you next time. Bye bye.